Promo Drone has partnered with Almo Pro AV to expand use of the Starling X.2 drone mounted digital sign. The companies plan joint demos, training, and outreach to Pro AV and public safety customers. Starling X.2 drone mounted digital sign. The Starling X.2 is a drone platform that carries an ultra bright LED sign for digital messaging and alerts. The sign is built for outdoor use and high visibility in day or night conditions. Operators can display text, images, video, and QR codes to reach people over large venues and city areas. The drone can reposition messages quickly as conditions change on the ground. This mobile sign helps fill gaps that fixed displays cannot cover. Teams can launch from nearby staging areas and move the drone to where crowds or responders need information. Commercial and public safety use. Promo Drone will provide a Starling X.2 system for Almo Pro AV demo flights, tech showcases, and sales training. The partners are targeting integrators and buyers in Pro AV, event production, commercial venues, and smart city projects. They also see growth in public safety, emergency response, and defense. The drone-mounted sign is intended to support mass visual alerts, crowd communication, disaster response, and search and rescue visibility. Promo Drone and Almo Pro AV plan to align the Starling X.2 with contract opportunities in the Department of Defense and public safety markets. They also aim to work with government-focused integrators. Almo Pro AV is an ideal partner for our next stage of growth in drone advertising and public safety, said Yamar Williams, founder and CEO of Promo Drone. Their expansive reach in Pro AV enables us to showcase the Starling X.2 at scale, bring the technology to new customers, and build the foundation for a broader distribution and sales strategy. Promo Drone's technology opens a new frontier in airborne communication, said Dan Smith, EVP, Almo Pro AV.